Leaving Montana and West Yellowstone behind, we enter the Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming and visited the Terrace Spring. Here we see the massive waterfalls of Gibbon Falls and angry steam pouring from the earth at Beryl Spring.
Well, I'm just here to tell you, this Gibbon Falls is a real popular spot. I mean, it's hard finding a parking place. This is a real popular spot here too. A lot of people waiting in line.
No, we're gonna go.
I'm glad I went down the road in the forest. Well, let's look down here and see what we got.
That's where we want to go. The lower, we gonna go. You wanna go the higher?
Those are some funny ladies. She said, "You wanna go around?" I said, "No, I'm enjoying listening to the stories." A lot of timber. Check out the overlooks. Like I said, it's a real popular place. A lot of people here. And they're stacked up trying to get in. Now I know this is a chipmunk. And he's posing. He's posing. Hi there. My friends told me your kind's a chipmunk. Yeah. I'm here to tell you that is a long ways down. Beautiful though, just beautiful. Arrived at the falls, the water tourist. Just enjoy the sound of that water. Let's do it. Slope 7% maximum. 7% slope downhill is bad enough, but there's always going back uphill. I'm seeing now why this slope of road has a 25-mile-an-hour speed limit on it. They don't want anybody running through the rails and hitting a tourist. That's quite impressive. Very impressive. One thing about these tourist stop spots is you hear voices and accents from all over the world. Here's the people waiting to get in the parking lot. Here's the parking lot. I'll be moving my car shortly. And that's the line to the Beryl Springs from the road. A lot of smoke coming up from here. Oh, this is the mountain goat I met earlier. Yeah. See you down the road.
Yep, see you.
Oh, look at that. Whoa, that's hot. That's really hot. Wow. I'm at a steam bath. Man, the Earth's crust must be really thin here. Goes down there and joins the Gibbon River to go over the Gibbon Falls. Thin crust area for your safety and the protection of fragile features. Stay on the boardwalk. Looks like on the other side of the walkway here, there's another one. That'd be a good thumbnail for YouTube. What do you say? Okay.
You can't smell it right here. See? That smells the oven gun.
That's a lot of energy there. A little bitty one. Another one over there. Another humorous thing that happens when you're in tourist locations is you meet some people, chit-chat just a little bit, then lo and behold, at the next stop, there they are. So by the end of the day, you really form some new friends. Fringe? I don't know. Leaving old Beryl Springs behind, we're going to soldier on down the road, and I'm still looking for that Grand Canyon of Yellowstone Park. So we'll find it today. And then down to Yellowstone Geyser itself. Oh, faithful. I sure hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe.